We are raising funds for manufacturing and the completion of our patent process. Our goal is to raise $50,000 in the next 2 months. My name is Reginald Swindoe Kennedy. I'm an Arizona native and I'm the inventor of Fraqtals print pods, and we need your help. Fraqtals print pods is an innovation to a traditional screen printing system and hardware. We took the outdated process and modernized it with the benefits of a modular design, unlimited color and simultaneous projects, a one-time registration system, and the flexibility of a streamlined footprint. For the last 10 years, I've been designing and creating fractals in a basement, my garage, or anywhere I was permitted. I had to master a whole new set of skills to make this vision come to life. My motivation for inventing Fraqtals print pods was I do art residencies in middle schools and public libraries, and the traditional print press would give me creative restrictions by limiting the colors and the projects that we could experiment with. Plus, the non-mobility and the large footprint made it a hassle. My vision is clear. It's to improve and empower potential entrepreneurs in the apparel decorative industry. In 2022, we entered into the 10 West Pitch competition. We were awarded the People's Choice Award and the runner-up of the overall competition. We soft launched, premiering in expos and trade shows, earning our proof of concept. We sold out of our introductory inventory that was manufactured by me. Along the way, I protected my innovations with a provisional patent that's soon to expire. I believe the benefits of Fraqtals empowers users to speed up production and gives them flexibilities to expand or shrink for mobile printing at schools, pop-up markets, or live events. We are raising funds for manufacturing and the completion of our patent process. Our goal is to raise $50,000 in the next 2 months. By reaching and exceeding our goals, we can supply schools and distributors with units, launch a marketing campaign, and protect my hard work with ownership of the innovation I created with a patent. The sacrifice and sweat it took to get here was worth every penny. And with your support and contribution to Fraqtals' vision, that will ensure for generations to come to reap the benefits. Woo woo.